My name is Jimel Perez from BSIT3B. First, we go to our requirements. Build a form to collect name, email, and password. So we go to my registration form. I have name, email, and password. And lastly, the reCAPTCHA. So in my name, I have string max 255, and then email, unique user. Sa unique user, pag nagamit na yung Gmail mo is hindi na pwede gamitin ulit. And then in my password, I have minimum in 8. So let's try. And my email gmail.com. Password, in my password I have minimum 8. So let's try 4. And then register. So nag-ayaw siya dahil kulang yung nilagay natin. So let's try again. gmail.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So try na natin yung buo. 6, 7, and 8. Pinutin natin yung reCAPTCHA. Bicycle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, motorcycle, 1. Okay, and try to register. Wait lang, F 1, 2, 3, 4, I. Guray boy, okay na nagpad ba di? Hello, my name is Jimel Perez from BSIT3B. So we're going to do our requirements. User registration, build, collect name, email, and password. So this is my registration. So name, email, password, and confirm password, and then the reCAPTCHA. So we're here in my controller. Name required string and required string email with unique user. Required string with minimum of 8 to confirm password, and the reCAPTCHA. So this is my page, registration page. Let's try this. 1, 2, 3. So try muna natin yung kulang yung password. Register. So mag-error siya. Email is already taken, sabi niya. Let's try gem1 at gmail.com. So password at least 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So reCAPTCHA response field is required. So let's try to check motorcycle. verify. So let's register. Gym. Okay, successful. So done na tayo sa may paglalagin ay pagre-register. So let's try to log in the email and password, include protection. So kailangan natin muna ipakita yung mga errors nya. So let's try gym1@gmail.com, then password, try natin yung 123. Okay, I need missing. Okay, gmail.com, then try natin login. Okay, invalid credentials. So mali itong password. Try natin itama yung password and then imali natin yung Gmail. 2 3. Okay, invalid credentials again. Try natin 1 and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so dito na tayo sa may user page.